In this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to make a donut. So, um, unlike extrusion, where you make a solid object with just by making a profile of it and then extending it into another dimension, we can't do that with uh, a circle in the same respect. So, just to give you a comparison, let's make a circle first, or a cylinder more appropriately. So I'm going to sketch a circle on this axis on the XZ plane, and then I'm simply gonna extrude it. So as you can see, the circle was formed on the XZ plane but extended in the Y plane. So if I just now make a donut, for that I'll have to use a different approach. In the case of a donut, we have to revolve it around an axis, and we'll see what kind of axis we're talking about. So let's make a circle first. So what we're going to do is we're going to sketch it in the same axis, the XZ axis, and we're going to offset it from the center so that we can select that axis later. That's important. So I'm going to now sketch a circle on the X axis in the XZ plane, which is offset from the reference point. So I make another circle, and now I want to convert this into a donut. So imagine it this way: I'm essentially revolving it around another axis, a reference axis. That axis is the Z axis. So in this case, this axis is going to be parallel to the axis that I'm talking about, but perpendicular to the axis that I originally created the circle on. So the center of the circle is on the x-axis. The z-axis is the one in which I am revolving it. And again, it's extending in the y-axis. So there are a couple of things to note here. So in order to revolve a sketch, you have to first select the sketch in question. So I'll select it, and then I need to select the axis. So now I select the z-axis, and there you go, my donut is created. So notice again, so this was the original circle. It's on offset from the x-axis but on the x-axis, and but the circle is created within the xz plane, and it revolves around the central axis, which is the z-axis, if you can see it from here perhaps, and then it revolves around the y-axis or extends into the y-axis. Similarly, so this created a 360-degree donut. I can also select what kind of donut, what angle I want to extend it till. It could be 90 degrees, it could be at 180 degree, it could be 270 degrees, or some custom angle, let's say 135 degrees. And there you go. My donut or part of it is created.